Hello. Alright, so I am the author of Python FTP client, this repository here, and I said that there's going to be a tutorial video, and it's not up yet, so this is it. Alright, so now if you would like to download and use the program, not develop on it, but just use it, I would recommend highly to download this zip file here, this one here. So you can just click on it, and it'll take you here, and you can just click the download button, right, and you're all good. You'll download it. But if you want to develop it, I would suggest cloning the entire repository. Alright, so I've already done that. So here's my file. So I have a PowerShell open, and because I'm on a Windows machine, I have to use PowerShell. Anyway, so that's how you'd run it on a Windows machine, but on Mac or Linux, you just use Python 3 space the file name, and you'd automatically open it. Right? Let's open it up. So now just ignore this bloody text here. Okay? Just ignore it. Just click clear, and it'll go away. Yeah, nightmare's gone. Okay. So now if we type in help, you can see a list of commands. This is the same list I have on GitHub here. This stuff, yeah, same thing as here. Right, so firstly, let's connect to a server. So connect, and we're going to connect to speedtest.tela2.net. That's just a test server. I don't own it, and so I have to log in anonymously because I don't know the admin passwords. So username, just click enter. Password, just click enter because you don't have to type anything. And there you go. Login successful. Blah blah blah. Yeah, cool. Tells you the IP address you're connected to. In this case, it's this thing, and it gives you a welcome command message, and it also tells you the connection speed, which is highly inaccurate. Anyway, so now let's list the files in this server. So we use the command sls to do this, and there you go. You get a list of all the files, and this number here would be the size. This is the date, and this is the name. Okay, and so if you want to download a file, so you use the get and you type in a file name. So I'm going to do the 1mb.zip, which is listed over here, this one over here, 1mb.zip. And I'm just going to press enter. Right, starting transfer. I'm just going to pause this video, but that's how your transfer would look like. Let me just go full screen actually. There you go. That's how it looked like. Don't trust the time, don't trust the speed. Just trust the percentage and the megabytes downloaded. I'm going to pause it till it's done. Okay, so the download has just finished. Okay, so once it's done, it'll look like this. You get the directory where your file has downloaded to, and the time it's downloaded in, so that's in seconds. Okay, so now let's list our local to see where it's downloaded. So you do LLS for that, and see how you have a list of all the files in this folder here, because that's the folder I'm in currently. Okay, so this is a folder, so you know how we can tell? It's right here, so it says type folder, and this is a file because it says type file. For all file types, anything that is a file or recognized by as a file, you get a size of the file in kilobytes. Okay, right? Awesome. Okay, now that's done. Let's send a file. Let's send the file back. Now, because the server is restricted to anonymous, I can't send anywhere, so I have to send it to any part of the server. I have to send it to a particular folder called upload. So I will use the scd command, which stands for server change directory, and go to the upload folder. And there you go. The old server working directory was /, and now it's /upload. Okay, so in /upload, we say send, and we give the file name, which was 1mb.zip. Okay, so it's the same file listed over here, right? And so press send, and it starts the transfer, and there it goes. 50% done, 75%, and it's done. There you go. So it tells you where it uploaded to and how long. Okay, this is basically the same progress bar. They both show you the time over here, the speed over here, how much it's sent and how much percentage is done. Okay? Alright, cool. Now let's use the lcd command. Basically, if you type in either lcd or scd without any directory specified, it'll just give you something like this. It'll list the old working directory, and in LCD's case, in Windows and in Linux or Mac, it gives you this error. Now you can just ignore that, okay, and just move on. And so basically this is the current directory we're in. So if I type in lcd ... it moves a directory back. And so yeah, okay, so that's the lcd command. Let's type in help again. So we've done all the navigation commands. We have done these two. Now let's try zip send. Okay, so if I type in LLS, I get all this stuff, right? So I want to zip send. I want to send this version, this folder here, previous versions, right? So I would type in previous _ versions, and zip send will zip the file and it'll send it over, right? And you can check if you want. See, it has a zip folder of previous versions, and it's sent over to the server. Now I don't think we can view it, but let's just try it. But no, it's not there. But anyway, but it's sent. Okay. Yep. That's how that works. What else? Okay, so we have lsize, ssize, and quit. So lsize, and if you type in a file name, let's give it the file name of the previous zip _ versions .zip. Okay, and just give it a second. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Previous versions .zip. Huh. .zip. Try that. There you go. So it gives you the file name, give you the file size, the average transfer speed, and the average time of transfer. It's useful if you want to estimate, but it's not very accurate. Now that's basically what ssize does. Ssize, and that's just basically for a file on the server, right? Same output. Alright, so if you type in help again, okay, so that's ssize, lsize, connect done. Quit basically closes the connection, right? So if I type in quit, close connection. Now I can't type in SLS, so it says run connect first, right? And the clear command, if you type in clear, just clears the screen. Now the history command, okay, I have removed this already, but I haven't updated the program yet. I haven't updated the repository yet because I'm adding some other stuff in. But this history command only works on Windows. It doesn't work on Linux or anything else. Basically what history does, if you type in history, HISTORY. Oh, maybe I removed it from this program already. Whoops, sorry, didn't check the logs. Anyway, so that's history doesn't work. I'll remove it from here, don't worry. So exit quits the program. Help gives you this message. So if you type in exit, there you go, done. You've quit the program. Now, it is always recommended by me that you quit before you exit. So if you're connected to a server, just type in the quit command and then exit. Okay? You can type in exit, but I wouldn't recommend it because you wouldn't close your connection to the server. But yeah, that's the program for you. If you've got any suggestions, you know where to send them. Alright? Thank you for watching. Thank you for using the program. Love, peace, bye.